Hey there fellow singers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalena and today we're going to be talking about an important topic. We're going to be discussing boosting your singing confidence. Confidence is the secret ingredient that can really take your performances to the next level and help you shine on stage. So in this video I'll be sharing some valuable tips just to really help you boost your singing confidence. So let's dive in. The first step to boosting your singing confidence is embracing self-acceptance, recognizing and appreciating your unique voice and journey as a singer. Remember, every singer has strengths and areas for growth. Embrace your individuality and focus on celebrating your progress rather than comparing yourself to others, which we all do sometimes, but acceptance really sets a solid foundation for building confidence. Next, let's talk about the power of self-talk. Your inner dialogue greatly impacts your confidence. Replace self-doubt and negative thoughts with more uplifting and encouraging statements. Remind yourself of your accomplishments, your strengths, and the progress that you've made so far. Practice affirmations such as, I am a talented singer, I am confident in my voice, and I deserve to be heard. Positive self-talk can really transform your mindset and boost your confidence. And I do these affirmations and I find that they've really helped me. Visualization and mental rehearsal are powerful techniques to boost your singing confidence. Close your eyes and imagine yourself performing with confidence and excellence. Visualize the stage, the audience, and your outstanding performance. Engage your senses. Feel the excitement, hear the applause, and see the smiles on the people's faces you're performing to. By mentally rehearsing success, you program your mind to create confidence and create a positive anticipation for your performances. Building confidence also comes through practice and preparation as well. Dedicate time to practice your songs, do vocal exercises, and really just practice your stage presence. The more familiar you are with your material, the more confident you'll feel. Rehearse in front of the mirror and record yourself to assess your performance and make the improvements that need to be made. The combination of practice, preparation gives you the confidence to really deliver a stellar performance. To boost your singing confidence, seek out opportunities to perform in safe and supportive environments. Start by really sharing your singing with trusted friends, family, or a supportive community of fellow singers. Consider joining a choir or open mic nights and even attend some vocal workshops, because these experiences are really going to help you to gain confidence by receiving constructive feedback and building connections and just performing in front of a supportive audience. Remember to celebrate every small win along your singing journey, whether it's nailing a challenging note or receiving a positive comment on your performance. Take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. When you celebrate your achievements, it's just really going to help you to boost your confidence, and it will help to motivate you to keep growing as a singer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they're really going to help you when it comes to boosting your singing confidence and unleashing your full potential as a performer. Confidence is a journey, so make sure that you are patient and kind to yourself. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more vocal tips and mindset training and all of that lot. But feel free to share your own confidence boosting strategies below in the comments, and keep believing in your voice and keep shining on stage. And until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.